Hello, great mind, beautiful people. Welcome back to Reach Me Channel, your ultimate destination for financial success and empowerment. I'm your host, Toby Falola, and today I've got something incredibly exciting for you. Are you tired of those international claims slip through your fingers, leaving you wondering how to secure those overseas payments? Or maybe you have been contemplating on opening a domiciliary account and you don't know how to get started. Well, you have just landed in the right place because I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get started. I'm going to be providing the solutions you have been searching for. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start collecting your international payments. I'm going to be showing you an app you can use to open your own domiciliary account, even just with your mobile phone. Yes, I mean it. I'm going to be showing you how you can do this with your mobile phone and you can actually start collecting payment, talking about in pounds, in dollars, in USD, in euros, and you can easily collect your payment from Google AdSense, from AdMob, and any of your international clients. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start collecting your international payments. I'm going to be showing you an app you can use to open your own domiciliary account, even just with your mobile phone. Yes, I mean it. I'm going to be showing you how you can do this with your mobile phone and you can actually start collecting payment, talking about in pounds, in dollars, in USD, in euros, and you can easily collect your payment from Google AdSense, from AdMob, and any of your international clients. Alright, so in this video, you need to stay good and watch this video to the end because that is what is going to help you actually. Alright, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now. Subscribe to this channel and ensure that you like, you comment, and you share this video because you need to help somebody who also need to watch this. Alright, so all the necessary links will be in the description and ensure you follow the guides accurately. Alright, so let's get started.
Let me quickly log into my account and show you something that you need to know before I start showing you how to register your own account. All right, so let's get started. Now, looking at my dashboard now, yes, I'm logging to my dashboard. You can see the different account that I've created on my dashboard. So let me begin to show you on this Naira account. This is a pounds account. All right, so this is a dollar account and you can even see my balance. This is an euro account. So, and this one is my prepaid card wallet account. All right, so you can see that I've made lots of transactions with this app, and you can see from my transaction history I've actually withdrew money from this app. You can either withdraw your cash from the bank, I mean you withdraw your dollar, or you can convert it any which way you want and however which way you want to do it. So you can actually see that. So let me just show you my history and to make you know that this is actually truth and legit. You can actually cash out from this app. All right, so take a look. These are my histories and you can see my transaction history. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, I'm telling you right now to do so. Click on the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. All right, so let me show you how to now get started and create your own app. All right, let's restart the app and let's get started into the real business. All right, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and ensure that you subscribe to this channel. Share this video as many times as possible. Drop comment in the comment section. All right, so let's get started. When you click on get started, now it's going to show you some values you're going to get on this app. So those are the values, and as well some things that will be required from you in order for you to be able to create your domiciliary account. All right, I believe you getting that. All right, so let's get started with creating our account. All right, okay, so now let's get started. Click on accept and click on next. All right, as you can see, the first thing you need to do is to select your country. Now if you're from Nigeria, you type Nigeria and you select Nigeria as your country, or any other which country you are from, so you can actually select your country. Next one is to input your phone number, so with your country code. So input your phone number with your country code, and next thing is to input your valid email address. Right now, this is actually very important. You must use an email that you actually have access to, so that you'll be able to confirm your email whenever you are asked to. All right, so I'm trying to open this thing with an existing email account, and you're going to see what they tell me. They tell me that this account, I mean this phone number already existed, and the email as well. So but if you are doing your own, they are not going to tell you that, since you don't have an account on this app before. So the next thing is just for you to, after leaving this page, now they're going to ask you to confirm your email address. So you need to verify that. After verifying your email, so you need to create your password. So after creating your password, and the next thing for you is to what, to log in. Now let's log in, and I'm going to show you the real deal. All right, so I'm logging in right now. Okay, all right, so let's wait for it to load, and let's dive into the real business. All right, I'm logging now. So the first thing you need to do is to verify your account. Like, you need to upgrade your account in order for it to enhance you to be able to create a domiciliary account. So you go to profile. Now when you go to profile, then you click on profile, edit profile. So when you click on the edit profile, you're going to see a couple of informations that you need to attend to. So all right, so the first thing, you attend to it, all the informations that are required from you, and the most important thing is the document. So that is what actually what they need for you to be able to create your domiciliary account. All right, so when you click on the document, it's going to request for your photograph. It's going to request for your valid ID. So if you are using photos card, maybe you're in Nigeria, photos card, your passport, or you are using your driver. So you can use any of those documents to verify your account. Now, having done that, the next thing for us is to create your domiciliary account. So here's how you get started. You click on create account, then you select domiciliary account. So after selecting your domiciliary account, then it gives you an option to choose what type of account you actually want to create. So you can either choose, maybe you are creating a pounds account, euro account, or you are creating USD account, and you can actually create the three accounts. So but you do that one after the other, and within few minutes your account is going to be generated for you, like you can see on my screen. And that's my own account, and you can see the account is very active. This is where you click when you want to fund your account, so, or you want to collect payment from outside the country or from anywhere, so you can start collecting payment from outside. So now country, dealing with country is no longer a barrier for you to collect your payment. So you can collect payment via pounds, via euro, or via USD account. So all right, I believe you have get value in this course, and I want you to subscribe to this channel, and make sure that you share this video and like this video. All right, next video I'm going to be showing you something special once again. All right, stay glued. This is Rich Me channel. See you, catch you later. Bye.